Back again with another pressure washing tips video. So when you finish cleaning a section, you want to wash away the sediment. Preferably start uphill and go downhill, because see all this stuff you broke loose, it's going to seep back in. See, look at that. So I'm kind of far away from it, and I'm basically sweeping with water, see? And I'm going to get all that washed downhill so that when this dries in the sun, that sediment is gone. It'll just make your finished product look a lot cleaner. Hope this video helps, and you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find the pressure washer like I'm using. It works really well and it's very affordable. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Worx Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Worx Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.